We left Port aux Basques early in the morning and traveled to Robinson's, where we stayed at Pirates Haven. Along the way, we spent a couple of hours beachcombing and exploring the coast. Steve and Stacy were once again captivated by the ocean. We drove the loop up to Cape Anguille, where we explored more beaches. Trying to celebrate and enjoy. Whoa, it is so windy. It is unbelievable. Holy crap. Woo!
You gotcha?
Well, this is whipping too. My straps are hitting me in the face.
Yeah, mine too. Just knocked me right in the chin.
looking. It is. Bear's not going to take a chance on that. But
Yeah, let's go.
But oh, Drooly McGee, Drooly McGee.
We were actually walking in the rain, okay?
Sure.
Seriously.
Sure, we were.
Seriously. I'm okay now.
What was the best part of your day?
Ooh, well, going up to your favorite hill, that was pretty cool. up
Oh,
there.
Robinson's Head.
Robinson's Head, and windy and refreshing, and it wasn't raining, and it was kind of nice, and just lovely vista from there, and all the grasses, beautiful grasses, lots of wildflowers. Eh? It's really nice.
Right, you were digging that. You were.
I love wildflowers
Wow.
and stuff, and just
You're trying to identify some of that
the
stuff.
wild fauna. Yeah, it's
I had
nice.
no idea.
Yeah, it's beautiful, lovely.
And so, was there anything that you said you wish you hadn't done?
I wish I fastened my rain jacket up on the wall.
That's your rain jacket, eh?
Yeah. I haven't spilled my beer over
No.
my shirt. Because I can see straight as an arrow
yeah.
right now. No, it's all good. All right, awesome day.
All right. Stacy. So, what was a highlight of your day today? This was actually what is this? Well, for you guys, this is more than this is our day 2, but it's more than that for you guys. But so
Day 2 in Newfoundland.
yeah, it is day 2 in
So-
Newfoundland.
That's true.
Highlight, I was surprised at the difference between
Port Basque.
Port aux Basque and the landscape here in Robinson's
Yeah, you pointed
Bay.
that out. That was really a surprise too. Yeah, no, you're right.
And I was looking for moose all the way and saw nothing. One of my favorite, I loved going along the beach. I love the beach and walking along and going up to Robinson's Head. That was amazing. The wind blowing in our hair and lots of belly laughs with cousins, and it was great.
I got to tell you that one of my favorite parts about the beach walk was watching. Was you made the comment of the sound of the pebbles being smashed against
yes,
each other.
the pebbles.
It was
I
almost
forgot
like a
about that.
chiming, right? Like it was really quite cool.
when
And
the waves were pulling the pebbles back into the ocean. It was lovely.
it was very cool.
It was really loud.
Yes, I
It was
think
nice.
today was full of a lot of sensory
Yeah.
overload almost. It was the oceans crashing, the rivers trickling when we went for the walk today down by the river, the smells of the ocean, the mini cream cinnamon bun. It was lovely too.
And it was interesting because even though it was foggy and wet and rainy, but looking at the Tableland Mountains with the fog on it was kind of cool too,
Yeah.
right? It was kind of unique, right? So
I look forward to going back there
Yeah.
tomorrow.
yeah, I think we're going to see it. I think
Yeah.
I think for me, I think we're going to have we're going to have the benefit of 2 perspectives, right? Because the foggy, overcast, hanging clouds was a perspective, and hopefully tomorrow it'll be sunny and
Exciting.
yeah.
It's gonna be good.
Joanne,
Yes, dear.
what is the capital of Islamabad?
Schmuckanuck.
So what was your highlight of the day?
Well, for me, it was completely different because we're so used to doing it by ATV. So going for a car ride, it was completely different. So, but going down to the beach, I just loved the whole walking along the beach, and again, same thing, the sensory, like listening to things, touching all the rocks, and it was quite different, but As soon as I get in the car, I just want to sleep, so. But Robinson Head's probably my favorite of all of it, as usual.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. Check out the details below in the description. There's lots of information in there. And please leave me a comment. Leave me your thoughts. Love to hear from you guys. I always try to reply to everybody's comments. As well, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell to get the notifications when a new video has been uploaded. As well, if you like this video, you'll find more just like it right here. And don't forget to head over to my website by clicking right there. Thanks for watching.